Hey everyone, we're here at the Giraffe360 manufacturing and prototyping floor, and I'm here gonna show you a little bit about our GoCam and the new ProCam. We'll go through some of the details of how we produce cameras and thinking behind the scenes basically. I'm pretty thrilled to show you guys a little bit about our Pro camera, the new camera we're launching. One is that we have this automated powered tripod that enables us to move the camera up and down automatically. The cool thing about the Giraffe360 is that we do everything on site. This is one of the first initial prototypes when it comes to tripod that has some kind of automated motion. But it was bulky, it was too big, no one would take it on the field. So this is kind of the second iteration, which already moved towards a different internal mechanism, eventually through iterations and test and failing to reach to what we already have now, which is the auto height tripod as a finished product. Regarding the camera, the highest focus is on the LiDAR. What we wanted to do is be able to capture point clouds in much more precise manner and also a more controlled manner. Now we're able to capture up to 20 times more scans kind of per second as we were before. When you have so much more data, you can have these 3D digital videos, you can have floor plans, virtual tours, you can have a full media package that can boost your kind of property presentation on a completely new levels. So when it comes to plastics, metal parts, anything mechanical, we do it here on site. So this is one of our milling machines where we can mill heavy like aluminum parts, both for parts that are already going into the camera, but also we create our own jigs that are required for the manufacturing purposes. This particular one is a plate that will use to calibrate our rotors. It's part of the LiDAR bottom part, which ensures the rotation and the data transfer to the LiDAR. Here we have a machine that from this basic plastic block generates the tripod holder or the tripod head. And it's currently being done in this lathe where it's spinning and axial kind of milling happens at the same time. These are our 3D printers, our SLS printers, which allow us to generate super fast, really durable pieces. So these machines are stacking fine layers of powder and then it's being etched together. Afterwards, they're being cleaned through excess material. And then we also have the tumbler, which does additional cleanup for the parts. So we're here at the quality control room where we test the accuracy of our parts. And we can detect up to 1 micron level measurement. This is one of the reasons why this space is also controlled temperature-wise to make sure even temperature doesn't affect our measurements and accuracy. Here we are at our injection molding floor. So we injection mold our housing internally. For example, this is the housing of the camera. Same goes for the new LiDAR parts. The way it works, we have these kind of the plates, the molds, and they go into the injection molding machine where we mold the plastic, inject it, and once they're kind of done, we clean up some of the excess material and then they move towards the paint booth where we coat them in a color. So here we are at the LiDAR calibration station where we do LiDAR distance calibrations. Basically, we check the accuracy of the LiDAR at several distances and using various backgrounds to account for variations in darkness and the reflectivity of the surfaces. And each of the Pro camera's LiDAR is calibrated individually. And once that's being done, we achieve a really high accuracy, both in short and also large distances. So here we are at another calibration station, and this one is for our image sensors. We make sure that the lens is in a correct focal point, there's no dust or anything, and we make sure that the accuracy and crispness is not just in the middle, but also in the peripheral sides. Every lens is checked, calibrated, adjusted before it goes further into assembly line for assembling the cameras. All right, so here we are at the paint booth. Once the parts from injection molding are done, especially for the housing parts, they come here for the painting facility. These particular ones are the GoCam housings, which are covered with a soft touch black color. To speed up the process, we're also testing our new addition to the painting facility, which is robotic arm. And once these parts are being painted and dried, they go to logo printing, and then parts go further into assembly line. All right, so here we are at the assembly floor where the parts from the manufacturing comes here and we assemble these base assemblies, one being LiDAR sub-assembly. Those sub-assemblies then go through testing processes. Once that's been done, they come back to this assembly floor where they go through camera assembly process. Here, for example, we have already assembled cameras, which are already kind of calibrated, tested and everything. And the final step is flash them with the software and firmware, charge them up, and then they move to one of the last phases where we apply housing to it. So these ones are Go cams that are going through the last checkups. If everything is fine, registered, documented. Once that's been done, the cameras go to basically to the packaging. Here are the cameras that are ready to be shipped. Once we get the order, and they move to the packaging station. Here, for example, the tripod is already packaged for the shipment. And then we have a complete bag with a camera inside. And that one goes into another box basically and is ready to be shipped. And that's basically the cycle of the Go camera and Pro camera, how it moves through manufacturing, calibration, and assembly line, all the way to the packaging and shipment. So this is how we produce cameras at Giraffe360. I hope you guys had interesting insights about our cameras, and yeah, we'll see you next time.